Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach again. Welcome to my channel Pinaki Yoga. So today's video is regarding one of the important tutorial about splits. Yes, I am going to provide you few exercises and few stretchings regarding splits, your front splits and your side splits. And splits is the major exercise for most of the asanas in yoga. So yes, you can try these exercises, try these stretchings in your workout, and try to add all of these stretchings in the end of your workout, and add this routine in your stretching routine, and you can see the changes within 3 to 4 months in your splits and in your side splits. And these splits, these stretchings are really very effective. Please try these in your stretching routine. And yes, and I have already finished my workout, and now I'm going to do my split stretchings and my stretching exercises. So let's do it together.
We will start with deep squats. Keep your legs shoulders apart and provide complete deepness in your squats. Take your butts completely down and do not fold your back. Perform sumo squats, legs shoulders apart, toes out, and make sure your knees follow the direction of your toes. Come to the lunge position, 10 repetitions each side. Make sure you are bending both of your knees properly and perform complete lunge. Come for side lunges, 10 repetitions each side. No need to go for a very deep lunge now. Just find your balance and warm up your body properly. Come to the garland pose, legs shoulders apart, toes little out, and take your butts completely down while holding your shin. Come to the sitting posture completely. Keep bending your back while lifting your butts, as it will give you a stretch in your hamstring. Perform 15 repetitions. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Come to wide leg pose. Open your legs wide, hold your shins, and while exhaling, bend forward. Pulse your head towards floor and try to touch your head to the ground. Deep side lunge. Completely stretch your leg and switch like a spider. Keep your toes pointed, 5 repetitions each side. Now seated side bending. Go to deep lunge, hold the shin of your folded leg, keep your lower shoulder completely out, and try to touch your straight leg from opposite hand over the head. Come to equestrian pose. There are 3 stretches in this posture. Number 1, this is inner thigh stretch. Keep your elbows down. And try to keep your pelvis close to the floor. Fold your leg from behind, hold your leg and stretch. This is your quad stretch. And last one, straight your front leg. Try to touch your head to your knee while bending your elbow. Now take your butts down and come to equestrian pose again. Repeat with another leg. Inner thigh stretch. Take your butts down, pelvis close to the floor. Elbows down, Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Hold your leg behind and feel the stretch in your quads. Slowly straighten your front leg and feel the deep stretch in your hamstrings. Keep your knees straight, toes pointed, and feel your stretch. Give 30 seconds hold in all 3 stretches. Take support of the wall. Wide angle seated forward bend. Open your legs wide, toes pointed. Walk on your fingers and take your stomach, chest and chin down to the floor. Try to pulse and try to touch your chin and chest to the floor. Pulse through your chest and feel the stretch in your hamstring and in your inner thighs. Hug your knees and relax. You need a belt for this posture. For beginners, it is optional. You can try it if your hamstrings are not much stiff. Take your leg more close to your body and keep your shoulders out. Hold your leg with the help of the belt with the opposite hand over your head. Hold for 1 minute each side. Repeat with another leg. Keep your legs straight. Give pulse. Feel the deep stretch in your hamstring. Hold for 1 minute each side. Pose. Open your knees and make sure your heels in line to your knees. Slip on the floor and take your butts close to the ground. Come to the elbows and feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs. This posture is really good for your hips, opening and inner thighs. Wear socks for your wall split. This will help your legs to slip on the wall. Go to the wall, touch your butts completely to the wall and slip your legs. Open your legs wide. Open your splits completely. Lock your knees. Feel the stretch. Hold the split 2 to 5 minutes. If you are feeling deep pinching pain in your hamstrings and your inner thighs, that means it's working. Keep your toes pointed. Slowly take your legs closer, bend your knees and hug your knees and relax. Floor split. Take a brick and keep it in between your legs while opening your split. Come to your elbows and take your chest down. After a few weeks, try without support of the brick and make your split more deeper. Hold more and more minutes. That's it. Done and relax. Side split. Start folding your mat for support of your knees. Come to equestrian pose and go to the third stretch of hamstring. Now start slipping your leg, your heel of the front leg, and take your hips more and more close to the floor. Take support of the brick and hold. Second time, flat your brick and hold again. Keep your pelvis close to the floor. Keep your toes pointed. Come to the elbows. Hold for more minutes. Feel the deeper stretch and done. Now repeat with another leg. Always your one side will be more dominant in your side splits. Try to keep the balance and equal flexibility in both sides. Feel the pain with the smile on your face. Hold for some more time. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Over and done.
So that's it for the splits now, and your stitching is over. So I think you guys are feeling pain in your thighs, in your hamstrings, in your quads, everywhere. But it's okay, pain is temporary, but result is permanent. So take rest and do some oil massage if you are feeling so much stretch, so much pain in your legs. Do some oil massage, and oil massage will provide a better blood flow in your thighs, in your legs. And remember guys, initially you're going to feel more stiffness in your legs because stretching is not going to open your muscles in one day. So you need to be regular for your splits, you need to be regular for your stretching, and provide more and more progression every week to your splits. Alright, so that's it for the day now, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like my tutorials, and if you have any query regarding yoga, please comment in the section below, and please like this video, share this video to your friends and all of those who need split stretching and all of those who need these tutorials. And please subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga. I'll meet you soon next week. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy, stay home. Namaste.